A good slicer's vegetable cutter is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make food preparation quicker, safer, and more efficient. This device typically features a sharp, high-quality stainless steel blade that effortlessly slices through various vegetables, fruits, and other food items with precision and ease. The blade is often adjustable, allowing for different thicknesses, ranging from paper-thin slices to thicker cuts, making it suitable for a wide range of culinary applications. Such as salads, stir-fries, garnishes, and more, the vegetable cutter usually comes with a variety of interchangeable blades and attachments, enabling different cutting styles like julienne, dicing, shredding, and even spiralizing. These blades are securely housed in a durable, BPA-free plastic frame, ensuring the device is lightweight yet sturdy. The ergonomic design often includes a non-slip base or suction cups to keep the cutter steady during use, reducing the risk of accidents. Some models also feature a safety guard or hand protector, which allows you to slice your vegetables down to the last piece without risking your fingers. Cleaning is made easy with a dishwasher-safe design, or the device can be quickly rinsed under running water. Some versions include a storage compartment for the blades, keeping them organized and safely out of reach when not in use. Compact in size, a good slicer's vegetable cutter is easy to store, fitting neatly into most kitchen drawers or cabinets. It's an ideal tool for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen, whether you're a professional chef or a home cook. This cutter is perfect for those who enjoy cooking healthy meals and appreciate the convenience of having evenly sliced vegetables ready in seconds.